A sea urchin is munching on kelp leaves. Kelp-eating sea urchins often appear in groups. They consume kelp in enormous quantities. Wherever they pass becomes a barren wasteland. The damselfish living here also get part of their food from kelp. But damselfish are different from sea urchins. They have their own dedicated garden on the reef filled with kelp. Damselfish are like farmers, busy every day tending their kelp gardens. So these kelp species can grow sustainably. They clear out various sea snails that steal kelp from their gardens. Other fish cannot get close either, but the kelp-eating sea urchins give damselfish major headaches. Schools of sea urchins will quickly devour all the kelp on the rocks. Once sea urchins invade, damselfish must quickly clear them out. When night falls and light grows dim, damselfish need to hide in rock crevices to rest. During the time damselfish rest, the sea urchins can finally feast freely on kelp. The first rays of morning sunlight pierce the ocean surface as damselfish immediately come out to check their kelp. By now, their garden has been damaged by sea urchins. Sea urchins swarm in like locusts, unstoppable. If left unchecked, they will reproduce rapidly and spread across the entire ocean floor. But all things in nature have natural checks and balances. When a species can reproduce rapidly and is destructive, there will certainly be another species to control it. Sheephead fish have extremely sharp teeth. They can easily crush these small purple sea urchins. Sheephead fish mainly eat fish, shrimp, and shellfish, but swarming sea urchins are also a tasty treat. When encountering these larger black sea urchins with longer spines, the sheephead fish will flip them over to expose the more vulnerable mouth area. Then they can easily crack the sea urchins open. All the fish present can get their share. There is also another adorable animal that helps control sea urchins. These are sea otters. They live year-round in the ocean, mainly dwelling above kelp forests. So when danger comes, they can quickly dive into the kelp forest to hide. Newborn sea otter pups are not natural swimmers. They can only cling to their mothers. To nurse their young and maintain body heat, mother sea otters must consume food equal to a quarter of their body weight every day. When diving to the ocean floor to search for food, sea otters will blow air into their fur at the surface to help with insulation. Sea urchins are one of sea otters' favorite foods. Each time they dive to the ocean floor, sea otters will collect 2 to 3 sea urchins, then hold them against their chest and bring them to the surface to eat. Sea otters have the densest fur of all animals. Every day besides eating, they must spend most of their time grooming their fur, keeping their fur clean and waterproof. Newborn pups need their mother's help. This is Wildlife Stories, taking you to explore the unknown. Feel the wonder of all living things. Thank you for watching.